Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Gemini air sign. This is mid-month July reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Gemini, your recent past. So let's see. Knight of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, 9 of Wands. Wow, I think your person already approached you, or a person is coming. Definitely one person is approaching the other person. Knight of Cups, it is slow and stable offer. I think your person want to offer commitment to you and long-term commitment, stability to you. I think one person is guarded and don't want to give up on this connection. In otherwise, for some you person not to give up on this connection. For some, one person in this connection is guarded, but your person is coming, one person is coming towards the other person, going towards the other person, because they want to offer stability and they love to this connection. So let's see what is going on your connection right now, Gemini. Wow, the Magician. 7 of Swords. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It could be any sign, but 5 of Wands. I think some disputes are going between both of you, definitely, because there is some sneaky energy, manipulations are going, playing games, mind games. 5 of Wands, fighting, definitely. But your person want to manifest, one person still want to manifest you in their connection, or you want to manifest your person in your life. Still it is going some sneaky energy, some mind games, some planes. But there are a lot of issues are going between both of you right now. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Gemini. Ordinariness, 8 of Pentacles. Maturity, Ace of Pentacles. Lot of earth energies here. Receptivity, Queen of Cups. Yeah, definitely your person want to offer long-term commitment to you and they want to work on this relationship. 8 of Pentacles and Ace of Pentacles. Long-term commitment, Queen of Cups. Definitely they want to heal this connection. Receptivity means, okay, Queen of Cups. Definitely they have emotions for you. So I think they will change in the near future. After the change, if they want to offer this maturity, they will get maturity and they will offer long-term commitment to you. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Gemini, sorrow. Yeah, without you, your person feeling very sorrow. 9 of Swords. Silence, the Star. Your person could be Aquarius. Wow, harmony, 10 of Cups. Lot of water energy is also here. 9 of Cups, 9 of Cups, 10 of Cups, laziness. Definitely your person want to things right with you because harmony. They want to see harmony in this connection. 10 of Cups, definitely without you they feeling very sad. Definitely your love life is going to be next level. Definitely long-term commitment is coming. You are their wish fulfillment. Definitely they are hoping for this connection so much. So Gemini, this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.